Hi, boys and girls. We're getting ready to start day 5. But do you know what I forgot yesterday when I did this? I forgot to put our numbers on the cover. Remember, last time we met, we did 12 and 7. So let's take a couple of seconds right now and put 12 and 7 on our cover. So we'll remember that we already did them in case we roll a 12 or a 7 on the dice, okay? So let's see here. I'm going to find my blue for 12. I'll write 12 up here in the corner. Remember, straight line down is fun, and then round and back on a railroad track, and a circle around it. And then I think I'll use some color of, maybe I'll use green for the other page, which was 7. I'll put a 7 over here. Ready? Across the sky and down from heaven. Remember that one? Okay, so now we've got all of our numbers that we've completed. Let's count them and see, or let's see how many there were. 12 and 4, let's see, that's 1 day. Here's 2 days. Here's 3 days. And here's 4 days. Now we're ready for day number 5. Okay, so let's see here. Put this away. I'll put it with my other pages later. But let's get oh no, I spilled my crayons. You know what? Even teachers have accidents and have spills. It just happens. All right, let's take our dice again. We had the 12 last time. We're gonna roll our 2 dice again and see what we come up with. Ready? Let's see here. Oh, this is cool. We have 2 4s. Let's count what we have and check our book and see if we have that one yet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you see an 8 on our book? No, we have not done 8 yet, so that's perfect. Okay, let's do 8. Before we start, let's do the poem that goes with 8. Ready? Here's how it goes. Make an S, still start with an S, but do not wait. Go right up to make an 8. So you just keep going. So make an S, but do not wait. Go right up and make an 8. Try it with me. Make an S, but do not wait. Go right up to make an 8. Make an S, but do not wait. Go right up to make your 8. Okay? And so it's just pretty easy. S and close it up. S and close it up. S and close it up. Perfect. We made quite a few. Let's count to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have room for one more. Let's make 8 8s. S and close it up. These are a little bit tricky. If you're having trouble with it, do not worry. There's lots of time to practice. You can always turn your pages over and practice even more. So now let's look and see what we could count for 8. Let's see. We have a lot of things. We've already used a lot of things. The only thing we haven't used is the cubes, but we might want to use those for something else too, because we still have several numbers to do. So shall we do the cubes today? Why not? Let's do the cubes. Okay, these are called Unifix cubes. And you remember how we use these, we can stack them up. In fact, maybe we'll do just that. Maybe we'll stack them to make 8. Let's see if we can do that. Come on. Come on, let's do it. All right, let's see how many we have so far. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we need some more here. Let's see if I can find some different colors. How about, we did 2 colors of blue. Let's see how the red and orange look together. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, smush them up, 7, and 8. Let's stack them up. All right, there we go. We have 2 sets of cubes that make 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We could also put these in a pattern, and we kind of did. We put the matching ones in the middle and the different ones on the ends. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so now when we get ready to draw, we want to draw them just like this, right? So I have my red already here, so I need red and orange for this side. Okay, and then on this side I need, this is going to be tricky, I need dark blue and light blue in case I can't, oh, here's my dark blue, I think, and then my, here's my light blue. Oops, where did he go? Where did he go? There he is. Okay, so there's my light blue and my dark blue, and there's my red and my orange. Okay, so if you're looking down on these shapes, what shape shall we actually draw? They're actually cubes, just like a dice is a cube that has 6 sides. We already talked about that. This is also a cube, but we're only going to draw it by looking down. So let's make it like a square. You want to? All right, so I'm going to make this pattern first. So I'm going to do 1 square. That's red. Oops, get away there. 1 square. That's orange. Another square. That's red. Again, these do not have to be perfect. Oh no, see what I'm saying? I messed up. This one is supposed to be orange. See, Mrs. Howerton makes mistakes too. I'll go ahead and color them in so I don't forget. And then our last one is supposed to be red. Come on, Mrs. Howerton. Don't make mistakes, right? No, it's okay. All right, so there's my first stack of cubes. Red, orange, orange, red. Okay? Let's see if I can do better on this one. What do you think? All right, so we start with the light blue, and it looks kind of like this. And then next will be our dark blue. And remember we do, oh, it's very close, but you can tell it's a little darker. And then our light blue is on the bottom again. Okay, let me color in the 2 light blues. I think I did it right. I think I did it right. And in the middle 2 are the darker blues. We did it, we did it. Yay. Okay, put those aside. And let's count again, just to be sure. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's our 8. Make an S, but do not wait. Go ahead and make an 8. Close it up and make an 8. I like to close it up. Okay, so we have our 8 done. Let's put this aside and let's see what number we can roll next. And remember, we have our book to look at, and we can add 8 to that. We will in a minute. Maybe we should now, because we're getting so many numbers. I'm starting to get confused, aren't you? So let's put our 8 down here. Make an S. But do not wait. Close it up and make an 8. There it is. All right. So now we know. We don't want to, if we roll another 8, we'll have to keep rolling. And you know what? We might have to just do it without rolling if we can't. Oh, I think we did it. I think we got a good number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you see 9 on there? No, there's no 9. Yay! So we can do 9. Okay. Let's see here. Let's write our 9s first thing. This is kind of cool because it almost looks like a balloon on a stick. So here it is. First a ball, and then a line. That's the way to make a 9. It almost looks like a balloon on a stick, doesn't it? First a ball, then a line. That's the way to make a 9. First a ball, then a line. That's the way to make a 9. First a ball, then a line. That's the way to make a 9. First a ball, then a line. That's the way to make a 9. First a ball, then a line. That's the way to make a 9. And then I'll make one more without saying the words. Let's see how many I made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I made 7. It's kind of tight. We didn't have room for 9. That's okay, because that's a lot of 9s. All right, let's see what we can do for our, we've used all of our possible counting things now, so we'll use some of them again. That's okay, isn't it? How about the dominoes? I like the dominoes. Let's see if we can find 9 dominoes. And we won't necessarily make a pattern or anything. We'll just get some colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's count them again just to be sure, because we want for sure to have the right number on our page, or that would be a big mistake, right? I'm just going to mix up the colors, no pattern, no order. Just going to mix them all up. Put my black in here. Okay, let's count them and see. Oops, I have that one turned the wrong way. All right, let's count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And remember, we did dominoes before, and when you look down on a domino, it's a long, skinny rectangle, remember? And then it has a line, if you notice, right here in the middle. It has a line across the middle. All of them do. So when we do them, we're going to make sure we draw it exactly that way. So my first one is a rectangle that's blue. So I'm going to draw a nice, oops, sorry, I wasn't showing you very well, was I? With a line in the middle, remember? And then color him in. Color him in. Color, 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 color. All right. Try to color in all the white that you can. There you go. And my next color is yellow. Let me find a yellow. All right, here's yellow. And color. And the line across the middle will be hard to see because it's so light. You can see it, kind of, right? I didn't color down here very well. It's hard to see on yellow. I have trouble. All right, the next color is green. So next will be green. Mrs. Howerton might have to make these a little skinnier. I don't want to run out of room. There's my line. I'm going to color in my green. And next will be the red. I have my red right here. Line and color. Dominoes are easy though, aren't they? Yeah, they're easy. When we have big numbers like this, we want it to be an easy thing to draw. Right next to that is orange. So let's get my orange out here. Line across the middle and color. Again, whatever you're making, you can take all the time you want when the video's over and you can finish your coloring, okay? So don't worry about it if you happen to be not able to catch up or get 9 things drawn. You can always go back and do this after the video's over, okay? So this is my black. In many sets of dominoes, they're all black. But this is a nice one because it has many colors and I love it. And my blue again. Where's my blue? So I'm ready for my blue. I think we're going to have room for all of them. I was starting to be a little bit worried. Okay, blue. And next will be red again. And there it is. And my last one is yellow. So let's see. Yellow, line across, and color it in. Okay, got it? Now let's go back and count just to make sure we have 9. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's count the real dominoes. Remember, touching is a good way to keep your mind and your brain focused, just like we do in reading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think we did it. So let's move these aside. And so we don't forget this time, let's go right ahead and put our numbers on our book today. So we did the 8 already, see it right there? And now we're going to draw the 9. Let's do the 9 in red. Let's do a 9 up here in the corner, right? Let's say it together. First a ball, then a line. That's the way to make a 9. Okay, we have a lot of numbers on our page, don't we? All right, this was our 5th day of this, I think. And so let's see how many numbers we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, 10 days. We do 2 every day. So this was day 5. And next we'll have day 6, the next time we meet. So this is day 5. Alrighty, guys. Have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye.